Interest rates are soaring, up to 5.5% for the first time in years. But what does that mean for your retirement? Are you seeing the returns you were promised, or are you starting to feel the pinch? Let's break it down. We're in a time where every decision with your money feels like a big one. Stocks are volatile. Inflation is taking a bite out of your savings. And now the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates in an attempt to slow down the economy. But the big question is, how does this affect your retirement? Meet Linda from Arizona. She's 62, worked her entire life as a teacher, and built up a 500K 401K. When the pandemic hit, she saw the value of her retirement funds start to plummet. She didn't know who to trust and felt stuck in a world of economic uncertainty. But then, she took advantage of a free gold IRA guide and consultation. That's when everything changed. With rising interest rates, the stock market is unpredictable. But here's the thing most people miss. Gold is historically one of the safest places to store your wealth when things get shaky. In fact, during the last several interest rate hikes, gold prices rose significantly as people flocked to safer investments. It's like a hedge against the storm that's hitting the financial world. As interest rates rise, the Federal Reserve is trying to cool off the economy. But rising rates also mean that bonds and other fixed income investments can pay out more. The problem: many retirees like Linda were stuck with a 401k or IRA that was exposed to the very volatility these rate hikes are causing. By rolling over a portion of her retirement into a gold IRA, Linda not only safeguarded her savings, but she positioned herself for growth through real tangible value. Here's the bottom line. Gold holds its value when everything else seems uncertain. That's why so many retirees are taking action right now, rolling over their IRAs and 401ks into gold IRAs. But there's one big reason they're doing it now. The timing is crucial. We're seeing interest rates at levels we haven't seen in over a decade, and it's not just about securing your nest egg, it's about making sure your money is growing. So, if you're sitting there wondering if now is the right time for you, let me reassure you, this isn't about being sold on something. It's about your peace of mind. When you book a quick, no-pressure consultation with me, we'll talk about what's right for you and your goals. No gimmicks, no sales pitches, just straightforward, one-on-one education. You worked hard for this money, and you deserve to protect it for the next generation. Whether you've got 100K in your 401k or several million in savings, there's a strategy that works for you. Remember Linda? She's now on track to retire with confidence, knowing her wealth is protected no matter what interest rates or the market throw at her. You could be next. Don't wait. Get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your no obligation consultation today. This could be the most important call you make for your retirement.